So this is being occupied by some other process. Okay, you can see the port number is being occupied over here.
Mhm. So
So
we
I
just
can
have to,
even do task list as well.
okay.
Slash fi.
The above command is find string, right?
Yep.
Hmm.
And the PID number. This is called the PID number, which where it is. This one. PID basically process ID
Hmm.
number.
Hmm.
So if the PID number is equal to 1313920. So here it is chrome.ext. So this is if we have to run, just close this one, the one that
Hmm.
I'm using it. And let's try. And even sometime, even if you close it from there, it may not got closed. Then you have to close it from the task manager. Seems like it's still being occupied. So either you can open and kill the task from the task manager, or the best option is better host it on a different port number, which is not occupied.
Okay, okay. Got it, got it.
So I can just reload hyphen port, and I can choose any, suppose 7000. And now
Hmm.
the same thing if I run it on 7000. It worked. Welcome to the Fast API.
Yeah. Yeah.
And if I want to look at it in more professional way, slash docs, this is Swagger.
Hmm.
Generally in other languages, you have to
Yeah.
create the Swagger, but here you already are getting the Swagger.
Hmm.
So what does it actually mean? Slash hello, slash add, and slash user ID. So here you can provide the click on try execute, whatever the user ID 34, and execute. It will give you the response at this one. And how it is coming? It is coming from the our code. This code is a dynamic one. So very first code, if you see this one, app.get, this is the home page where it
Yes.
was saying welcome to you. If you want to switch to the other page, slash hello. So it will print the message this one. And if I
Yes.
print slash add, it will print the message. So with slash add, you have to pass A and B as a parameter. If
Okay.
I show you over here, so slash add, here it is. Click on try
Yeah.
execute. And these two parameters you can provide 34, 35, and the answer is 69.
Hmm.
Sum is 69. That's how you test the all APIs. Okay, generally fast API. Even other APIs are also being tested through this Swagger.
Okay, okay.
Okay,
Correct.
great. And have you tried the optimum way to solve that question, fruit in the basket?
Fruit. No, no, I didn't. Not that one.
Okay, try that one out. Okay,
Okay,
and
okay.
let me
Yeah.
know if you have any issue. We
Yes,
can
yes,
proceed with our further questions.
yes.
So the next part was automation. Though being a developer, you're not going to use too much of automation part. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Now, who uses automation a lot? First, the automation engineer. The engineer who works with the testing part, they use the automation part. The engineer who is basically a DevOps engineer or any real ops engineer, they uses automation, or the release engineer. So me as a DevOps engineer, I'm supposed
Mm-hmm.
to use this automation part a lot. But our script are written in PowerShell. So only
Okay.
PowerShell automation I can use. If the scripts were written in Python, then Python automation I would have done. But nowadays,
Okay.
what is happening? Most of the product, the AI integrated product, are written in Python.
Hmm.
So, being a Python developer, you should have at least the idea that how automation works with a Python.
Works. Hmm.
Okay, since it's a scripting language, apart from being a programming language, so it is used in
Okay.
the both perspective.
Hmm.
But before going to that, let's solve a small question. Okay.
Yeah.
So we have this easy level question, which is basically says you have to validate a parenthesis, basically a valid parenthesis.
Okay.
So if you say to these are all the different types of brackets. Okay.
Hmm.
All these bracket to be valid, you need to follow these three conditions. The first condition is bracket is open and must be closed by the same type of bracket.
Hmm.
Okay. If it is
Hmm.
parenthesis, parenthesis, curly braces, closed by curly
Good.
braces, or square brackets, then closed by the square bracket.
Hmm.
Second condition, you read out. Let's see.
Open bracket must be closed in the correct order.
Yes. What does that mean?
So, so first should be parentheses and then second should be something like that. Or if it's open, then it should be and then the next one should be the closed.
If it is open, next should be the closed. That's correct.
Yeah. Mhm.
But if it is open and after that another bracket is getting open, then the
Hmm.
sequence that should be followed.
Yeah, the sequence should be, yeah. Yeah, got it, got it.
Hmm, there was a short name of paint. Hmm. So the sequence it is saying that if you have this curly braces open, and
Hmm.
after that if you are getting a square bracket, then the sequence
Hmm.
should be followed like a square bracket should be
Square
closed
bracket and
first
then curly bracket.
and then curly braces.
Got it, got it.
It shouldn't be like this first square curly braces, then you have this square braces,
Square bracket and
again you have this curly braces,
hmm.
and then you have this square braces, close one, sorry. Okay,
Hmm.
so this shouldn't be the case. This should case is valid.
Hmm.
Got it?
Hmm.
And then comes the third is every closed bracket has a corresponding open bracket of the same time. That is just the reverse of the first one. Open bracket
Hmm.
must be the close, and every closed bracket has to have a
Needs to be there.
corresponding open bracket for the same type.
Hmm.
So the first one included both the parentheses, so that's why it is.
Hmm.
So the thing
Good.
that we have to return is a Boolean value, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So, and if you see the next one, it's also the square bracket
Good.
plus
Hmm.
curly braces and all, and that's also returning true.
True.
But the afterwards is not returning the true.
Hmm.
It's obvious because one is open, other one is closed, and we can't have the pair of it, right?
Yes.
So let's see the logic, how we're gonna create it. Let's take a bracket with the name of B, okay? And we are passing it, right? As a string, we are passing it. So let it be curly braces, this one, then what? Then this, and then this one, then a square bracket, and then curly braces. Is it true or false? Is it going
True.
to be true? Correct. So simple logic we can do. We can run our loop through every character. Okay.
Hmm.
We can have our own character in our own bucket
Hmm.
with which we can compare. Right.
Hmm.
And what are we doing? We'll create a stack. Stack, you call it a stack, set, or list, or anything.
Hmm.
So what we'll do, I will iterate, suppose I at this position will put it in the stack.
Yes.
So it became curly braces. Then
Hmm.
again, I jump to this location.
Hmm.
Is it already exist? No, it does not. It's a new one. So I'll put it inside.
Hmm.
Again, it jumps to this one. And then again, I'll check, is it exist? No, it does not. So instead of checking, I'll just do, is it closing? Right.
Hmm.
So the moment I get the close one, what I will do, I'll just,
Hmm.
since it is in the sequence, I'll pop out this part. Okay.
Yes.
B
Hmm.
dot
Hmm.
pop. I'll just pop out and compare.
Hmm.
Is it pairing or not? If it is pairing, good.
Yes.
Continue
Hmm.
with the forward. If it is does not pairing, we'll immediately break the loop and return the false. Because even
Yes.
if one does not follow, we'll return it, the false.
Yeah.
Again, if it follows, we'll continue the further. And then again, we got the close one. So what we'll do, we'll extract another one from here, right? And
Yes.
then what we will do, we will compare it with the close one. Is it making the pair? Yes, it
Hmm.
is. Then we'll continue I. And again, we will pop out this one and we'll check it. So one thing I said wrongly, I'll check first. If it matches, then I'll pop out,
Yes. Yes. Hmm.
right? Instead of
Hmm.
popping out, because if it does not matches, I cannot put it back kind of stuff. But the
Hmm. Hmm.
best way, I should check first. If it works, then I'll pop out.
Then about, yeah.
Okay, let's try to code. But you should have the opening and closing in your own function too. Otherwise, with whom you're going to compare whether it is open or
Exactly.
close, right?
Hmm.
So we'll do the same. We'll write a class solution. Is it correct? Arey, yeah, this one is. Let me just close it again. Don't save anything. Then- it's not showing.
No, you have to write
So,
define the class name, then it will start showing. I think if it's right now, it is good.
arey, yeah.
Now it is coming. Yeah. After you define the class name, it will start showing you.
Uh, there has to. Let me try with the other folder. Is it work? Is it doing the same? Yeah. Nope.
Uh,